Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a video, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Gemfan Windancer 5043. As you can see right here, it says designed for freestyle, so have it on Freestyle Quad. So here is the old 5042 Windancer, and then here's the new one. Let me put them like this. Hopefully you'll be able to see the differences. That they have increased the pitch. The top one is 5042, the bottom is 5043. They made the scoop in the bottom larger and then tapered it off more aggressively versus the old one, which I think is definitely a good thing. As well as right along where it meets the hub, they've added a little bit of material to make it more durable to bends. And if you take a look at the hub, this one actually has the little holes to be POPO compatible, and the old one does not. So unfortunately, I'm not able to give you a weight on this prop because my scale is broken. I'm going to be getting a new one soon, hopefully. But the prop, it's a pretty light prop. Definitely say medium weight, probably somewhere around 4.3 grams, somewhere around there. The material, very good plastic, of course. Bends towards the end and not the middle. Very nice. And I assume the durability would be similar to the 5043, which was pretty good. So the quad I'm going to be flying it on is my newest freestyle one here. This has Flywoo 2306 1750 kV on 6S, so this is a little bit of a higher kV for 6S, which is good since these are a lower pitch prop. It should pair quite nicely. See, I'm not going to do any line of sight for this guy since it's a freestyle quad. It wouldn't be too interesting, although it does rip, I can tell you that. Let's just move straight into some GoPro, and then I'll finish up my thoughts at the end. Alright, so here we are back after that flight footage, and hopefully you'll agree that this build and this prop are definitely a very nice suit for each other. Really liking these. I wasn't sure when I got them because they didn't look too different from the original, and the original was a tad weak. However, adjusting the scoop and going to 50-43 pitch, if pitch numbers even mean anything anymore, really brought this prop to life. It has much more speed than before, and on 1750 kV, which is a medium-high kV for a heavier freestyle quad, it's about 640 grams with a 1256S battery. This thing could really put out some power and really get up some speed. The power is nice and consistent going through, say, power loops. You can just jam the throttle and it will just go. Definitely really like how this prop flies, and it's very smooth and can be snappy and controllable if you want. In terms of durability, I've crashed this set. This is the first set a couple times now. Actually, where is it? In this back one. My XT60 also did come down into the props one time, didn't have secured, and it got chewed up. And the props barely took any damage. Still been flying them perfectly fine. No jello in the footage, nicely balanced. Run into a couple trees so far, and all the props are not bent at all, so I give them a thumbs up on durability, especially since it is about 30 degrees out. They're not just shattering. So yeah, it's pretty much going to bring us to the end of the review for the Gemfan Windancer 5043 here, and normally I'd compare them to a lot of other props, but there's just so many good props nowadays that it'd be really hard and really time-consuming to try to do that. I just know that I definitely like this prop, and this is going to be the prop I fly on this quad for probably the next 6 months, so if that's not good enough, what is? So yeah, there'll be links down in the description below to the props as well as the quad parts if you're interested. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.